Good afternoon, everyone. Ranch Banyon. Moving the cow herd. Here they come. They're going down to the bottom pasture. Lowest pasture here on the farm. This is bottom ground down in there. Yep. Got some big cows here. They're nice and fat, but they're also pregnant. This calving season starts in a couple weeks. So, yeah. Here they come. Of course, the wind's going to blow a little bit right now. Oh. Hopefully doesn't take too much sound out of the video. So, I'll go back up here and explain. Up at the top of the hill is where the water trough is, and then that's the first paddock, and then this second paddock comes down around and into the bottom ground. So they're all down in that bottom now. But we got some really nice forage. I mean, some of this stuff's already getting some seed heads, but yeah, they'll take care of a lot of this. So anyway, just wanted to do a quick video here on the cows coming into the lowest pasture here on the farm. Like I said, it's good bottom ground, so down there in that low section, that grass is real nice and thick. So yeah, I mean, this up here is pretty darn good as well. So anyway, thanks for watching.